want some?
The Northern Mockingbird is the official state bird of 5 states in the United States: Arkansas, Florida, Texas, Tennessee, and Mississippi. They can sing up to 200 songs, including those of other birds, insects, and even amphibians. Is it really true that mockingbirds don't do one thing but make music for us to enjoy? Researchers have found that most often fights are the way of life for mockingbirds, and aggression is not limited to male-male conflicts. Males also chase, scold, and beat their wives. To further the drama, both males and female often mate with one or two others. I have the privilege of living next to a mockingbird couple and observing their behaviors. When examining the lives of mockingbirds and other wild species, you quickly realize they pick fights with their spouses and sometimes are bad parents. On this particular day, the male mockingbird was particularly upset with his spouse for some reasons. She still flew back to join him. They are usually monogamous and will stay for life in one territory.